Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Welcome back to the channel. Take a look at these two Huawei Nova 16 smartphones. After spending some time using them, I can confidently say they deliver on all the key things I talked about. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content. Let's start with the design, because that's the first thing that catches your attention. The Nova 16 and Nova 16 Pro I have here come in sky blue and sky white. Both versions feature a unique bamboo weave texture on the back, giving them a stylish and distinctive look. The blue variant feels fresh and vibrant, almost like ocean waves on a summer day, while the white version has an elegant cloud-like appearance that feels refined and premium. Huawei has also paired these finishes with a striking dual-star camera design that instantly stands out. The result is a look that's fashionable, youthful, and easy to recognize at a glance. One design element I particularly like is the horizontally symmetrical camera layout. It creates a balanced appearance that feels incredibly satisfying to look at. Even people who pay close attention to symmetry and detail will appreciate it. For young users who want a phone that looks modern and energetic, the Nova 16 series definitely checks the box. Both models are slim and lightweight, making them comfortable to hold for long periods. The Nova 16 Pro goes a step further with its metal frame and glass construction, offering a more premium feel in the hand compared to the standard Nova 16. While there are plenty of smartphones with similar designs on the market, both of these devices feature flat displays and evenly sized bezels, creating a clean and harmonious look from the front. Overall, when it comes to appearance and design, the Nova 16 series earns a very high score from me. Now let's talk about the cameras, because photography is one of the most important features for young smartphone users today. The Nova 16 series comes with an impressive camera setup that feels surprisingly premium. I'll leave all the detailed specifications in the comments section so you can pause and check them out whenever you like. Starting with the standard Nova 16, it's quite rare to find a phone in this price range equipped with both Huawei's Hongfeng Original Color camera system and a periscope telephoto lens. The Hongfeng Original Color lens does an excellent job of reproducing accurate and natural colors, even in complicated lighting conditions. Photos look true to life and highly realistic. The telephoto lens is equally useful, helping isolate subjects from distracting backgrounds while capturing the scene's natural colors. It simplifies composition and makes it much easier for beginners to create impressive photos. As expected, the Nova 16 Pro takes things even further with more advanced camera hardware. Its 200-megapixel main camera, combined with the Hongfeng Original Color technology, delivers outstanding portrait shots in everyday situations. Whether you're shooting against strong backlighting or capturing portraits in low-light nighttime environments, the results remain clear, detailed, and full of depth. Light and shadow are rendered beautifully, giving photos a rich, professional look. Thanks to the high-resolution 200-megapixel sensor, images retain plenty of detail and remain sharp even after cropping. The telephoto camera on the Nova 16 Pro is also highly capable. In portrait photography, it helps the subject stand out naturally while preserving delicate skin details. At the same time, the ultra-wide-angle camera supports macro photography from as close as 2.5 centimeters, opening up creative possibilities for everything from portraits and cinematic shots to flowers, plants, and close-up macro subjects. Simply put, the Nova 16's message is clear. It can handle virtually any shooting scenario you throw at it. And if you enjoy taking selfies, Huawei hasn't overlooked the front camera experience either. Alongside its powerful rear camera system, the Nova 16 Pro features a front-facing camera equipped with a Hongfeng Original Color lens and pixel-level spectral algorithms. In group selfies captured under classroom lighting, zooming into the image reveals naturally soft and realistic skin tones. The girl's complexion appears delicate without looking overly processed, while the boy's skin remains smooth and natural, with individual beard hairs clearly visible, adding texture and character to the image.
Another highlight worth mentioning is Huawei's optimization of the camera software. The company has enhanced the photography experience across the Nova 16 series, introducing more creative features and shooting options that make photography more fun, flexible, and enjoyable for users.
For example, the Nova 16 series comes with an incredibly useful feature called in-record flash capture. While recording a full-range 4K video, you can instantly capture high-resolution photos at the same time. That means you don't have to choose between shooting a video or taking a picture. You get both in one go, making it super convenient. Another interesting feature is live stitching. It allows multiple live photos to be combined into a single image. Once you press and hold to activate the motion effect, the result feels much more lively and engaging compared to a standard live photo, adding an extra layer of creativity to your shots. Huawei has also introduced the Magic Move function for those moments when your composition isn't quite perfect. The system can intelligently recognize people in the frame and automatically reposition the subject to create a more balanced image. This makes composition much easier, especially for users who aren't photography experts. Overall, the camera experience on the Nova 16 series is designed to be both powerful and enjoyable. It's packed with features that are easy to use while still offering plenty of creative possibilities. The Nova 16 really delivers an impressive photography experience. Now, let's move on to the third and final highlight, the exceptionally balanced overall experience of the Nova 16 series. Unlike some smartphone lineups that separate standard and Pro models by using different processors, Huawei has equipped the Nova 16 standard version with the same flagship-level Kirin 9010C chipset found in the Pro model. This means users of the regular version can enjoy essentially the same core performance experience as those who choose the Pro. In everyday use, both phones feel smooth and responsive, with no noticeable lag or frame drops. Even when running demanding high frame rate games like Honor of Kings, both the Nova 16 and Nova 16 Pro perform effortlessly. Thanks to Huawei's Ice Bridge cooling architecture, the devices remained comfortable to hold even during extended gaming sessions without developing excessive heat. On top of that, every model in the lineup supports 5A network connectivity, further enhancing the gaming and online experience. All of these advantages make the Nova 16 series particularly appealing for mobile gamers. Battery life is another area where Huawei has gone big. Every Nova 16 model comes equipped with a massive 7,000 mAh battery. Combined with the efficiency improvements of HarmonyOS 6.1, battery anxiety simply isn't an issue. During my testing, I could easily get through an entire workday of around 8 hours and still have charge remaining by the time I got home. Even on days when I forgot to charge the phone overnight, it never became a major concern. And when you do need power, the 100-watt wired fast charging support makes a huge difference. Just a short charging session before leaving the house can provide enough battery life to keep you going for a long time. Speaking of HarmonyOS 6.1, Huawei's flagship operating system brings more than just smooth performance. The Nova 16 series also introduces a feature called Time Capsule, allowing users to create personalized lock screens with custom images and text. It's a fun way to showcase your personality and makes the device feel even more personal. When looking at the complete hardware and software package, it's clear that the Nova 16 series delivers a well-rounded and user-friendly experience. That's exactly why I said at the beginning that these phones comfortably meet all of my daily needs. As a smartphone series designed for young and style-conscious users, the Nova 16 lineup not only offers an attractive and fashionable design, but also comes with surprisingly capable hardware. The standard Nova 16 is especially impressive because it bucks the trend of rising smartphone prices. It includes the same Kirin 9 series chipset as the Pro version, while also featuring a rear Hongfeng Original Color camera system and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, something rarely seen in phones around the 2,000 yuan price range. That alone makes the standard model an excellent value.
The Nova 16 Pro takes things a step further with a more premium build quality and an exclusive 200-megapixel main camera paired with a high-resolution sensor, giving photography enthusiasts even more to enjoy. At the end of the day, both devices offer outstanding value for the money, so if you're considering a new Huawei smartphone without spending a fortune, the Nova 16 series is definitely worth checking out. Whether you choose the standard version or the Pro model ultimately comes down to your budget and whether you feel the Pro's additional upgrades are necessary for your needs. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this review helpful and enjoyable. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!